Life begins with cell, dividing, growing, transcending. MRC's mission begins with the belief etched in its genes. Since 2003, with the mission of to make the world healthier, MRC had started its business in non-woven, from global pandemic solutions in medical and healthcare, innovations of solution in LVD testing, to cross-industry applications in contamination control, and then to the global expansion in personal care hygiene. Committed to life and health, MRC has never stopped. MRC Smart Factory, starting with a commitment to high standard in every detail. The world-class automatic equipment, and over 100,000 square meters of GMP workshop. Maximally ensure the quality and stability of the product. From fully automatic production lines in personal care and hygiene product, packing, conveying, inspecting, palletizing, and shipping, to advanced precision technologies in medical and healthcare. Then to rigorous manufacturing of contamination control. Every small step reflects the pursuit of high quality as well as our persistence. Equipped with multi-labs, and from every research to tech implementation, embodied the spirit of craftsmanship of our R&D team. All of this shape our brands in different businesses for personal care and hygiene. Yesha, the world's leading brand of non-woven hygiene products. Jumpto, new brand focuses on personal care especially for women, for medical and healthcare. Mantac, a global leading brand of laboratory consumable. Drofel, brand specializing in IVD equipment and reagents for contamination control. WIPESTAR, the global expert in providing the best cleaning solutions for contamination control. Cleanroom, an industrial cleaning brand. Looking back at the world, feeling the nature, choosing eco-friendly materials. Human-centered here. Global cooperation. Efficient work. And more health solutions will come true under the guidance for our visionary leader. But now, we are working harder than ever, making every effort to enhance our contributions to health. And there still have a long way to go. Looking towards the whole world, we are committed to becoming the industry leader and achieving sustainable development. We will keep moving and never stop. MRC, to make the world healthier.